Do you ever wonder how our cells ensure that they don't divide with damaged DNA? It turns out that there's a critical stage in the cell cycle called G2 phase, where cells undergo a stringent quality control check before entering mitosis. But what happens if something goes wrong? In this video, we'll take a closer look at how cells respond to DNA damage during G2 phase, and the intricate mechanisms that control cell division. Get ready to uncover the secrets of our cells and the amazing ways they maintain their health and prevent disease. So, do you remember what is G2 phase? And what important events occur here? Well, you know that the period during two cell divisions is called the interphase, which is further divided into G1s and G2 phase. You can learn about each of them in our video on Introduction to Cell Cycle. Now, the G2 phase of our concern here is also known as the second gap phase, second growth phase, or pre-mitotic phase. It is the interval, or a gap between the completion of DNA synthesis, or S phase, and the cell division, or mitotic phase. This phase is comparatively brief and takes about 4 hours to complete in a rapidly proliferating cell in humans. During this phase, the cell replenishes its energy stores and prepares to go into the mitotic phase. So, it may have an additional growth. Also, cell makes RNA, proteins, and other macromolecules. Some cell organelles are duplicated, and the cytoskeleton is dismantled to provide resources for the mitotic phase. Now, the final preparations for the mitotic phase must be completed before the cell is able to enter the first stage of mitosis. Then, the cell enters mitosis. But before entering the mitotic phase, a cell has to pass through a checkpoint called G2 checkpoint, or G2M checkpoint, that is present at G2M transition. Now, you know that, as the G1 checkpoint, cell size and protein reserves are assessed. However, the most important role of the G2 checkpoint is to ensure that all of the chromosomes have been replicated, or DNA synthesis has occurred completely. And that the replicated DNA is not damaged. If there's any kind of damage found, the cell cycle is paused. Checkpoint activates the DNA damage response and delays entry of the cell into mitosis. The DNA is repaired before the cell undergoes cell division, or mitosis. However, what will happen if it is unable to repair the damaged DNA or complete the replication process? Well, in that case, cells will undergo apoptosis and would prefer to die, rather than passing the damaged DNA to the daughter cells. That could result in genetic disorders, cancer, or other diseases. So, that was an introduction to G2 phase and G2 checkpoint. You know that, if the checkpoint mechanisms detect problems with the DNA, the cell cycle is halted. And the cell attempts to either complete DNA replication or repair the damaged DNA. Now, let's throw some light on the DNA damage response in the very next video of this collection.
Explore our extensive library of over 1,800 video lectures to learn about a wide range of topics. Only on sqadia.com.